Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the last class, we have learnt lesson 9, our body, right? Yes. Hope you all have learnt the topic well. Today, we are going to start a new chapter number 10, measurement. Children, in this lesson, we will learn about measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity and measurement of time. Today we will learn about measurement of length. Children, we need to measure a lot of things in our day-to-day life. Right? Yes. We measure things such as heights of people, length of objects, size of garments, amount of liquids, distance of objects and time on the clock. Right? Yes. All the things we measure are counted with the help of a unit. What is unit? A unit is the smaller quantity of something that we can measure. What is unit? A unit is the smallest quantity of something that we can measure. There are different units in which we measure the height, weight, time, distance, etc. Let us study these different units of measurement. Okay. First, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding out the size or quantity of something. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding out the size or quantity of something. What is unit? A unit is the smallest quantity of something that we can measure. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding out the size or quantity of something. Now let us learn measurement of length. What is length? Length is the size or the measurement of how long something is. What is length? Length is the size or the measurement of how long something is. Children, in early days, people used their body parts to measure length. Handspan, cubit and foot span are some units used to measure lengths of different things. These are called non-standard units for measuring length because measurements using body parts are not accurate and vary from person to person. For example, the length measured using your foot span will be different from your grandfather's foot span. Now, children, what is hand span? The distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. The distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. What is cubit? The length from elbow to fingertip. The length from elbow to fingertip. Okay. Next, nowadays standard units are used to measure length. Standard units are used to measure length. The standard unit of length is the meter. The standard unit of length is the meter. Meter is the unit used for measuring length. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters, millimeters or meters, and they are written as cm, mm and m respectively. A centimeter ruler can be used to measure length. We use a measuring tape to measure big lengths. Larger lengths are long distance measured in kilometers and is written as km. Length is measured by using rulers, measuring tape and meter rod. These are instruments used for measuring length, width and height. Units to measure length are related to one another. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Children, take your science booklet, take a new page and write lesson 10 measurement. Roman number 1, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding out the size or the quantity of something. Measurement is the process of finding out the size or the quantity of something. Thank you, children.